Hello guys, welcome back to Maths with Arjun channel. In the previous video, we have completed exercise 8.1 of class 8 Maths and CRT. In this video, we are going to take further concepts. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the further concept is based upon finding the increase and decrease percentage. And we are going to understand this by taking an example. It says price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% this year. What is price now? We can solve this question by two methods. I'm going to solve it first with method 1 and method 2. So with first method, it says its price has increased by 20%. So let's find first the 20% of the price that was last year. So 20% of 34,000 on solving gives us 6,800. So what would be the new price? New price would be old price plus the increase in price. Old price was 34,000 plus increase in price is 6,800. So final price comes out to be 40800. Second method is 20% increase. 20% increase means 120% of 34,000. Because simple means 100% of 34,000, which is 34,000, and 20% increase means 100 plus 20%, which is 120% of 34,000, which on solving gives same answer as 40800. So next concept is about finding the discounts. What is discount? Discount is the reduction given on the marked price of the article, and the formula for discount is marked price minus sales or selling price of the article. Let's see an example based upon this. So it says an item marked at rupees 840 is sold for 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? So discount formula I have already shown you is marked price minus selling price, which would be 840 minus 714, which would give us finally as rupees 126. And the formula for discount percent is discount divided by marked price into 100. So discount is 126 divided by marked price is 840 into 100, which on solving comes at 15%. Let's solve another question. It says list price of frock is 220 rupees. A discount of 20% is announced on sales. What is the amount of discount on it and what is the sales price? So what is list price? List price is same as marked price, and there is 20% discount, and we calculate the discount on the marked price. So 20% of discount is 20% of 220, which comes out to be equal to 44. And formula of selling price is marked price minus discount. So finally selling price comes out to be 220 minus 44, which gives us selling price as 176. And discount is equal to marked price minus selling price, which is 220 minus 176, which comes out to be 44. Next concept is price related to buying and selling, that is profit and loss. So what is the formula for profit? It is selling price minus cost price, and formula for profit percentage is profit that is selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Similarly, the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, and the formula for loss percentage is loss, that is cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Now based on this we are going to solve some questions. So first question says a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. 5 bulbs were fused and thrown away. Remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. Find gain or loss percentage. So first of all, shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. So the cost price of 200 bulbs would be 200 bulbs into cost of each, that is 10, which gives cost price of 200 bulbs as 2000. Now it is said 5 bulbs fused and thrown away, so left out bulbs would be 200 minus 5, which is 195, and they were sold at 12 rupees each. So selling price of left bulbs, that is 195 bulbs, would be 195 into 12, which comes out to be equal to 2340. Now it is asked in the question to find the gain or loss percentage. So to find it, first we have to know whether it's a gain or loss. So it is a profit. How? As selling price is greater than cost price. So it is a profit. How we find profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 2340 minus cost price is 2000, which comes out to be 340, and we are asked the percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit is 340 divided by cost price is 2000 into 100, which on solving this gives us 17%. So next question and concept is based upon sales tax, VAT and GST. So let's see how we solve the questions based upon this by taking example. So cost of pair of roller skates at shop was 450. Sales tax charged was 5%. Find bill amount. So on the price we find the GST, VAT and the sales tax. Which means cost price plus on which the sales tax is charged give the amount of the bill. So it is said that 5% tax is charged. So as also I have explained in one of the previous examples that 100% of a thing is the thing only. So if we calculate 100% of 450, it is 450 only, and sales tax is charged on it. So 100% plus 5% of 450 would give us bill amount. So 100% plus 5%, which comes out to be 105% of 450, which would be the bill amount. So 105% of 450, on solving we get rupees 472.5, which would be the bill amount. Let's solve another question. It says Fahida bought an air cooler of rupees 3300 including tax of 10%. So in this, tax is already included. Find the price of air cooler before VAT was added. So we have to find the price before the VAT was added. So how we are going to find it? We have to subtract the VAT from the price including the tax. So 3300 is the original price including the tax, and we have to subtract that amount of tax, which would give us the original price. So 3300 minus 10% of 3300 would gives us the price before tax VAT was added. So 3300 minus 10 divided by 100 into 3300, which gives us 3300 minus 330. So price of air cooler before VAT was added would be 3000 rupees. Let's solve another question. It says Salim bought an article of rupees 784 which includes 12% GST, and we have to find price of the article before GST was added. This is the same type of question which I have solved just before. Let's see how solve. So how we solve it? Price of the article at which Salim bought minus 12% of 784, which would give us the price before GST was added. So 784 minus 12% of 784, which is 784 minus 94.08, which gives us the price as 689.92. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you have not watched the previous video series of this chapter, kindly go and watch them, and kindly like, share and subscribe the channel as well as videos. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.